Decided to do our case analysis on Deliveroo. Deliveroo is a company trying to transform the way you order food. They partner with the best restaurants in the business, from local hotspots to national favorites, and bring the consumer the food they love right to their door. With thousands of choices and a fleet of their own delivery riders, they'll have your order with you in an average of 32 minutes.
In terms of the input, transform, output process for Deliveroo, basically the customer opens the app, inputs their personal information, they pick their restaurant, open the menu and customise their order. After they've customised their order, they add it to the basket and then they confirm their order, then proceeding to the payment. After the payment is accepted, the restaurant accepts the order and estimates the cooking time. The delivery rider then accepts the order and then picks up the order and estimates the delivery time. Then the order is delivered.
Under performance criteria, there are order qualifiers, which are the attributes that lead the product to be considered by a customer, and order winners, which are attributes that will lead to a customer's purchase. Thus, for Deliveroo, order qualifiers can be their easy-to-navigate and customer-friendly app interface. A customer should be able to look for options and place the order with the least hassle. In addition to that, the number of geographical areas that Deliveroo caters to and the wide range of restaurants that it has partnered with also come under order qualifying criteria. Customers are attracted to a large variety of options and deals to select from. Under order winning, their delivery time being low and various deals and discounts that they offer can be considered as such. Also, the state in which the food is delivered is an important aspect of order winning criteria, as it should be of a particular temperature and the packaging should not be damaged or tampered with.
For process characteristic, there are 4 V's. The first is visibility. For this company, it's like the customer can easily check their orders on the app. They can know exactly where the rider is, and they can also evaluate the service pretty simple, directly based on the time it takes from ordering to receiving. And the second part is volume. It's like how many orders you can process at the same time and how many riders you have and you can put into work at the same time. And the third part is variability. The first is about the time, whether I can pre-order something and ask the company to deliver it at some specific time. And the second one is about the server, whether they are stable enough for a large amount of users, especially during the rush hour. And the fourth one is variety. For first is that how many restaurants I can choose when I open the app, especially compared with its rivals, and also how big is the area you serve and how long you serve in one day. For example, whether I can still order some food at 12 p.m. if I want to have some late night dinner.
So basically, Deliveroo have faced 5 major issues now. The first one is the payment issues. The payment method used by Deliveroo is not available for every consumers, which may have the negative influence for the consumer's choice. Secondly, during the peak time, there is not enough staffs to place the order in time. And besides, sometimes there is late update, so people may order the foods that the restaurant can't deliver. It takes a long time to solve this problem, especially when there is high demand. And what's more, the app may also face some errors, which is not friendly for consumers to use. Finally, it's not easy to supervise the food delivery process, which means the state of goods is not up to the standard sometimes.
Then we will talk about some low-cost solutions. First, we can use big data to design the process and update the apps with more functions to improve our service. And then we can improve the welfare of riders to keep the recent ones and recruit more people to join in. We could also provide more payment methods to solve the payment problems.